Customer Unallocated Receipts Report. From this report, you can identify what are the transactions you haven't allocated to an invoice. You can access this report from Customers, Reports, Customer Unallocated Receipts. In this report, you can see there are several transactions not allocated to an invoice. By identifying these transactions, you can allocate those transactions to unpaid invoices. Example, when you generate customer balances days outstanding report, for this customer, there are several transactions plus and minus values. That means these transactions not allocated to an invoice. We'll go to Allocate Receipt option. Go to Customers, Transactions, select Allocate Receipts, select the customer, refresh. You can see there are unallocated items. By generating this report, you can check which customers unallocated transactions available, and you can go to that customer and you can settle your unallocated items. Like that, by using Customer Unallocated Receipt Report, you can allocate your unallocated items. You can generate Customer Unallocated Receipt Report for particular date range. You can select the date range from the drop-down menu. You can select Customers. You can select customer categories. From status, you can select active, inactive, or both customer status. If you check Include checkbox, system will include credit notes, adjustments, write-offs in addition to unallocated receipts. If you check Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display transactions in customer's currency. Hit View Report. In this report, you can view unallocated transactions. Here you can see receipts, credit notes, write-offs available. If you uncheck Include credit notes, adjustments, write-offs and refresh, then system will display only receipts only. If you want to view only unallocated receipts, you can uncheck Include checkbox. This report you can export to PDF, Excel and CSV. You can print this report or email this report. By clicking this transaction, you can view the original transaction.